Hello, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to give you a small lecture on loops in Python. When we have to do something continuously, we have to use a loop. Like in a Python program or any other program, if we have to do some action continuously, like we have to print a multiplication table of a number, or we have to print factorial of a number, or we have to check, or we have to find out sum of 1 to 10 numbers, we have to use loop. Okay, the loops we can see, other than programming example, we can see so many normal real life example also in loop. Like, for example, when your mom prepares dosha in the kitchen, she makes the dosha till the batter is over. She makes the dosha till the batter is over. If the batter is there, she will make the dosha. So the condition is that if the batter is there, she will make the dosha. Like that, there are two type of loops are there. They are conditional loops and counting loop. For loop comes under the category counting loops. Okay, I am going to teach you for loop today. Here see, here the main one function, range function is used with for loop. We are using range function in the for loop. For the syntax of range function is like this: range, lower limit, comma upper limit, comma step. Here lower limit, we are having three arguments here. We have to give the lower limit, upper limit and step. Okay, so here range function will print one number less than the upper value, one number less than the upper limit. Okay, see here range 1 comma 5 will generate the numbers from 1 to 4. See here given range 1 comma 5 is given, but 5 will not be printed. 5 is the upper bound, so the upper bound will not be printed in that output. Okay, see another example, range of 10. Range of 10 will print numbers from 0 to 9. 10 is the upper bound. Here also one more thing is there. Only one argument is given. If we are given only one argument, here lower bound will be taken as 0 and upper bound will be taken as 10. So it will be print from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay. So here we can give step also. If you see in the previous example, we can see we didn't give any step here. We give only range 1 comma 5. Step is not given. So step is not given. Step will be taken automatically as 1. Okay. But in this example, here see range 1 comma 20 comma 3. Here 3 is the step. 1 is the starting value and 3 is the step. So 1 is the first number, 4 is the another number. Like that, step will be added, intervals will be added. See the another example, range 30 comma 1 comma minus 5. Here 30 is the lower limit and 1 is the upper limit. So we have to take numbers from 30 to 1. But here negative step value is given as negative 5. So each time decremented value decremented by 5, that is 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5 will be printed. Okay, so in the for loop we are using range function. So range function, two argument is there, one is the lower bound and another is the upper bound, and step will be given as the default value. Step will be given as 1, otherwise we can give the step also. Okay, so here when question is given, what is the output of, write the output of for I in range 30 comma 5 comma minus 3. What will be the output here? What will be the output here? Here the output will become as 30. It will be decremented by 30, 27, 24, 21, like that it will be printed. Okay, there we can use so many practical example for the for loop. So many programs we can do using the for loop. Now I am going to give you one program where we are print numbers from 1 to 10. We will look how we will print numbers from 1 to 10 in for loop, using a for loop. Okay, and so many program like we can print the numbers from 1 to 10, and we can print the sum of the numbers. So first I will show you how to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, see here, for I in range 1 comma 10. Okay, closing the for loop, and I am giving print I. See here, when I give the run command, when I give the run command, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 will be printed. 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9, 9 will be printed. Okay, another example, you can modify the program and you can print the even odd numbers, because we started with 1. If you give the step as 2, we can print the odd numbers. See here, 1 is the first number, then 3 will be the other number, then 5 will be another number, like that we can print the odd numbers here. See, 1 3 5 7 9, 9 odd numbers are printed. Okay, then another example, we can print multiplication table of a number. We can use the for loop to print multiplication table of a number. Suppose I want to accept the number to which I have to print the multiplication number. See, I am accepting the number n is equal to int input enter the number. So we have to give a number to print the multiplication table. Okay, then I am giving the for loop for I in range. Okay, I am giving 1 comma 11. I am going to print multiplication table from 1 into 2 into 3 into like that. Okay, so I am giving here 1 comma 11. Then I am giving the print function, print. I have to print my n comma, then into symbol must be there. Okay, n into, then I should be there. Then okay, then I have to give equal to, then it will print I into n. Okay, or n into I. Anyway, we can write I into I or n into I. Okay, have to give one comma also here. Run the program. Enter the number, giving the number as 5. So I got the multiplication table. Okay, so these are the applications for loop. Okay children, thank you.